Imagine this: a massive, powerful corporation, one you probably trust, maybe even use their products every day. They have this pristine public image built over decades. But behind the scenes, a dark secret is festering. This isn't just about cutting corners or fudging some numbers. We're talking about a level of corruption so deep, it puts lives at risk. And for years, they got away with it. It all started with one person, an insider, who couldn't stay silent any longer. They saw what was happening, the lies, the cover-ups, and knew they had to act. They gathered evidence, documents, internal memos, a treasure trove of damning proof. But going up against a corporate giant isn't easy. They had an army of lawyers, endless resources, and a reputation to protect at all costs. When the case finally went to court, it was like a David versus Goliath story playing out in real life. The corporation's defense was slick. They painted the whistleblower as a disgruntled employee, a liar with an axe to grind. They tried to bury the legal team in paperwork, stall, and drain their resources. The media barely covered it at first, dismissing it as just another corporate dispute. But the truth has a funny way of coming out. The turning point came during a grueling cross-examination. A key executive was on the stand, cool and collected, denying everything. But the whistleblower's lawyer had an ace up their sleeve, a leaked email. It's an internal recording, that one piece of evidence they couldn't explain away. The courtroom fell silent as the lawyer presented it. You could see the panic in the executive's eyes. The carefully constructed wall of lies began to crumble, brick by brick. Suddenly, the floodgates opened. Other employees, emboldened by this crack in the armor, started coming forward. The story exploded. News channels that had ignored it were now leading with it every night. The public was outraged. How could a company we trusted be involved in something so deceitful? The trial became a spectacle, revealing a corporate culture rotted from the inside out. It showed how profit was prioritized over people, how executives silenced dissent, and how they thought they were completely untouchable. The verdict was a landmark decision, sent shockwaves through the entire industry. The corporation faced massive fines. Its stock price plummeted. Executives who once seemed invincible were facing real consequences. It was a clear message: no one is above the law. But the story doesn't end there. This case became a blueprint for others. It inspired a new wave of whistleblowers and held other powerful entities accountable. It proved that one person's courage, combined with a determined legal team, can indeed take down a giant. It's a powerful reminder that integrity can and must prevail even against the most overwhelming odds. This wasn't just a legal victory, it was a victory for truth. Thanks for watching. If you found this story as compelling as I did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the stories that shape our world. See you next time.